Hello everyone, do you remember this table centerpiece I made before? If you are interested to watch the tutorial about how to make this table centerpiece, click here for the old tutorial. And today, I'm going to show you my other idea of making the table centerpiece by just change some flower and leaf. Okay, now let's starting with remove the leaf and flowers. Okay, I removed the orchid flowers and some leaf. And then I need to put on this letter. Okay, luckily, very sturdy. Then let's check the effect and find the letter is hiding in the leaf. I want it to be taller, pop up, so I will pat a follow foam on it. And then we need to continue put on some small leaf and other leaf and flower to decorate, to make it fully and make the arrangement. Okay, completed. Very simple. Okay, then let's check the effect. Look. Okay, I adjust the foam so we can check the color of the love letter much more clearly. Let's zoom in for the detail. Okay, look. Very small quantity. And the love letter. You can buy a lot of letter, larger, and the color may be yellow or other color from Amazon. Replace this one. The color not match the design. It's too much pink and purple. Okay. I put more leaf, more type of the leaf, and I put a fairy light and red on the leaf. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.